So, friends, I have already marinated the prawns, but I will let you know what I have put into the marinade. Now, we have to marinate the prawns for at least 15 to 20 minutes or even longer if possible. They're very easy and very easily available. This is just 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. You can alter this according to your level of spiciness. Some salt to taste. I've used about 1 tablespoon of black ground pepper powder. This is garlic bread seasoning. I've used 2 tablespoons, and I've also used 1 tablespoon of piri piri masala and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Now we have to marinate the prawns with all of these ingredients and keep it aside. Now you'll 1 cup of rice flour and 1 cup of crushed up cornflakes. I've just taken cornflakes and just crushed them up. And I've kept some oil for deep frying. Now we're going to start by beating the egg up well. And now we're going to dip the marinated prawns only in the rice flour and keep them aside. You can keep the oil for heating at this time and keep it on a very low to medium flame. The rice flour gives it a nice crispy texture. Now once we finished dipping our prawns in the rice flour and keeping them aside, we're going to do our next step, which is we're going to add our crushed up cornflakes to the rice flour that is remaining. Our prawns are nicely coated with the rice flour, our egg is beaten, and our oil is nice and hot. So now all we have to do is first dip the prepared prawns in the egg wash and then in our mixture of cornflakes and rice flour, and just put them in and deep fry till they're golden brown in color. But be sure that your flame is low to medium. And we want them to be nice and crispy on the outside, as well as we want the prawns to be cooked on the inside. So keep an eye on them, and once they are nicely done, just drain them off on some kitchen napkin. Now these prawns go very well with a very special dip. Now this is my husband Abhijit's own recipe for the dip. So if you want to see what goes into the dip recipe, then watch this video till the end. You can make the dip ahead of time and keep it in your refrigerator and just get your prawns fried. So once all your prawns are nicely fried, you can set them aside to cool on some kitchen napkin and drain off the excess oil. And now let's get ready to make this amazing finger-licking delicious dip. Now here I just have taken about 2 tablespoons of very, very finely chopped onion. Again, these are my husband Abhijit's kitchen skills, and I'm going to be adding about 1 teaspoon of very, very finely chopped coriander or cilantro. Then we're going to add some salt according to taste. Now once that is done, we're going to be adding 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can add whatever mayonnaise you like and what you regularly use. Now to this, I'm going to be adding about half a teaspoon of mustard sauce. You can also add regular mustard. Then we're going to add about half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1/4 of a teaspoon of pancake syrup or maple syrup. The pancake syrup or the maple syrup just elevates the taste. It gives it a little bit of a sweetish taste, but it really is delicious. So that's the pancake syrup going in, and the onions and the coriander or the cilantro. And now I'm going to be adding a little bit of Tabasco sauce just to spice up things a little. I'm putting about 1/4 teaspoon. You can add as much or as little as you like. But all of these ingredients together just make this dip super, super delicious. So I hope you liked this recipe, friends. This is an ideal evening time snack or a weekend snack, or when you have friends coming over, a starter. It's just delicious. So let me know in the comments box below what you thought of this recipe. If you liked it, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and become a part of Akshatas Recipes family. And once you have subscribed, don't forget to ring the bell, because that way you won't miss out any of the recipes that I'll be putting up on my channel. So thanks for stopping by. Do visit my channel. At the moment, I have more than 240 recipes. I've touched 250 as of today. And share my recipes and my channel with family and friends. I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you again so much. Bye and take care.